Dash, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this correction, here I mentioned we are expecting to get one more drop because we have been looking for this one as a flat. All right, but how to look at this one overall? We need to look at this one as a flat. All right, we are not going to into details how we're going to look at the chart. Anyway, we mentioned if we get one more drop with the breakout of 153, when we can expect the price to drop to 140. But we mentioned what we are more interested to look for. We're looking for the reversal. That's mean if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. This is what we have been looking for. And if we move to forward chart, right now we can look at this one as a 1, 2, 3. Now what I'm expecting, if I get any reversal similar to what we have here, we will take the trade. Okay, mostly, I mean, most of the chart, they have a similar movement. And beside that, if we put this low in relative to the previous one, if we refer to indicators, we see we have a divergence and as well here. All right, it doesn't mean the price cannot drop. Even we can see the continuation as a corrective, but we are not really interested to look for sell. Any reversal, any trade setup for buy, we will take it at least similar to what we have here. Then if there is a continuation, we keep the trade. If not, we need to be quite careful. May this one turn to a flat for one more drop. Okay, then if we get any trade from here, any trade setup, how high it can go. If we move to 1 hour chart, this is the levels we're looking for. We need to see the breakout of 155.4 following by 161 following by 166. Right, then from there we want to see whether the price can break 172 or not. This is where we need to manage our trade. And even if we put this low in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That means any trade setup for buy from now, we will take it and we start to manage. If it's moving in our direction, we keep the trade. If not, we are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours. And we are looking to get any reversal at least similar to what we get here. And we are looking for the trade as a sharp move flag similar to what we have here. This is the only way we can look for trade. And having entry above this top, I don't think so. It's not a really good idea because of simply the price can take and drop. Having entry above here is quite far. Then how about if this one turn to a correction similar to what we have here for one more drop? Because we can see, I mentioned we can look for continuation. Sell, for me, I'm not really interested because if this one turn to a correction, the only way is to put our entry below this. Then in terms of the risk and reward, it doesn't give us really good trade setup. That's why right now we're looking for the reversal. Any trade for buy, we will take it. And if it's moving in our direction, we keep. If not, we are not going to keep the trade for long term, or at least we move our stop loss to break even. We just let it go. The reason is why we need to, why if the trade is not moving in our direction, we are not going to keep the trade for long term in case this is the start of the reversal and we are within this bigger correction. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.